Peter, congratulations. This is one heck of a promotion.
Thank you, Bob.
And we'll go ahead and get some people into you right away.
It makes me wanna creep.
I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul. I got something for your mind, your body, and your soul.
Damn, I'm such a G. It's pathetic. Here comes the big-headed nigga that's dipping, sipping on Courvoisier. Goddamn, I must have to floss today. Now pimping ain't easy, but it's necessary. So I'm chasing bitches like Tom chased Jerry. I put the pedal to the floor in my two-tone Ford Explorer. You know how it's done. Sound bumping, ain't that something? Jumped on the 110. She's flying in the blade.